Did you know you can build a massive online following and even make a full-time income without ever showing your face? It sounds like some kind of secret a guru would sell you, right? But it's completely real, and some of the biggest channels on this platform are doing it right now. Is Cheeky with me? Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done, including the specific tools you can start using today. So, why is this idea so powerful? It's because it taps into that feeling of discovering a hidden strategy. The internet can feel like a crowded place, and the thought of putting your face out there can be intimidating. But what if you could share your passion, your knowledge, or your creativity completely anonymously? That's where faceless content comes in. You can create entire channels using just your voice, stock footage, screen recordings, where the focus shifts from you as a person to the value you provide, which can be incredibly liberating. Let's talk about the practical side. How do you actually do this? The tools are more accessible than you think. For stunning visuals without a camera, you can use sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or ArtGrid for high-quality, royalty-free videos and images. Need to create engaging animations or text-based videos. Tools like Canva or NVIDIA, they have templates that make creating professional-looking content as simple as dragging and dropping. For voiceovers, you don't even need a fancy microphone to start. Your phone's recorder works just fine. Or, if you're shy about your voice, AI voice generators like ElevenLabs have become so realistic, it's uncanny. Imagine starting a channel about history, finance, or guided meditations, all from the comfort of your home with total privacy. The secret isn't some complex algorithm. It's about combining these tools with a topic you're passionate about. You script your content, find or create your visuals, record your audio, and edit it all together. It's a step-by-step process that anyone can learn. The retention on these videos is insane because viewers are fascinated by the content itself. And a part of them is always wondering, who is behind this? That curiosity keeps them watching. If this idea sparks something in you, don't just let it be another interesting video you watched. Start exploring, pick a topic you love, check out one of the tools I mentioned, and just try making one short video. You don't have to post it, just see how it feels. You might be shocked at how easy and fun it can be to create something valuable without ever stepping in front of the camera. The secret is out, and now it's your turn to use it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And for more strategies on growing your online presence, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.